Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for having me today. So, I would like to talk about the assistance and training for teaching accounting based on the new financial accounting standards at SMK Girimulyo, Kulonprogo, DI. And this service conducted by Miss Barbara Gunawan as a team leader and also Prof. Ikal Stari and me as a team members. And we are from accounting department of Faculty Economics and Business. And this program scheme is PKM regular. So for the service program partner is SMK Negeri 1 Girimulyo, which is located in Kulonprogo, Yogyakarta. As with accounting study programs in vocational high school or SMK in general, there are often inconsistencies in accounting terms between what teachers teach in the class and terms in universities, because what is taught in SMK is more likely about bookkeeping, so that in the preparation of financial statements doesn't refer to the applicable financial accounting standards. So the service program aims to bridge the accounting knowledge delivered by teachers at the SMK Negeri 1 Girimulyo with accounting terms in accordance with the financial accounting standards, which will later be applied in the practical world and taught at the higher educational level. Therefore, the program that will be provided is an educational program that begins with the observation, interview, and discussion stage, followed by an extension program in the form of an introduction to financial accounting standards, along with the pillars of financial accounting standards and training in preparing financial statements according to the standards. In the counseling and training program, Pengabdi will directly provide the material to teachers and students in the classrooms. So, the targets and scope of this service is teachers and students of Girimulyo Vocational High School, which located in Kulonprogo, Yogyakarta. And then during our service program, we got three methodology. First, we have to prepare by observation, interview, and discussion. And then second, we got implemented by counseling, training, monitoring, mentoring, and then evaluating. And then last we got reported and evaluated by compile a report, make a videos, create articles for mass media publication, and then we create international seminar articles, and last we create scientific journal publication articles. Moreover, the program provided in the form of education which begins with the observation, interview, and discussion stages, followed by an extension program in the form of an introduction to financial accounting standards or SAK, along with the pillars of financial accounting standards consisting of IFRS, and then Indonesian SAK, Indonesian SAK for private entities, Indonesian SAK for IMKM, coupled with Syariah PSAK. In the counseling and training program, the author also directly provides the material to teachers and students in the form of names and forms of financial statements for business entities consisting of statements of financial position, statements of income and comprehensive income, statements of changes in equity, statements of cash flow, and notes to financial statements. And of course, the names of financial statements for non-profit entities are also introduced. The author also conveyed about the accounting terms that are in the accordance with the accounting standards to the public. And our activity was carried out well, attended by 40 students and teachers. And after training, a post-test was held, and the results showed that more than 75% of students understood of the lessons that had been delivered. And here all of the documentations during our service. So that's all of our presentation today. I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and various parties, especially Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta and the UMY Directorate Research and Community Service for their support during the service. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.